Akara is one of the most popular breakfast staples in Nigeria. It's made with a combination of bean paste, fresh onions, pepper, and salt. Akara is also a great street food as sellers can be found frying them at different hours of the day. It is popularly served with pap, bread, or fried yam. So guys, we'll be needing vegetable cooking oil, as you can see, pepper, red chili pepper, onions, salt, and beans. And over here I've washed and taken out the skin of the beans. So now we're going to be blending. We're going to be adding the beans, the onion, and pepper. So I normally add my salt also when I'm blending so everything can mix up very well. Remember to add a little bit of water, maybe like 3 tablespoons of water or 4, and also blend it to a very smooth paste. And after that, check for salt taste, maybe to your own preference. I don't eat so much salt. Time to fry akara. The pot on the stove, I'm adding vegetable oil, and after adding this oil, I'm going to drop in 1 bulb of onion just to infuse that flavor into the vegetable oil. Then afterwards I'll take it out and I'll gently stir the mixture, the paste, the bean paste. And also remember to have a plate of water by your side in case you are adding the bean cake into the hot oil. Remember to always dip in your spoon in the water to avoid the tiny little bits of the bean paste scattered all over the oil. So start by scooping the bean paste into the hot oil, and also don't forget to dip in your spoon into the bowl of water by your side. Often when you notice that it's getting a little bit crowded with the tiny particles of the bean paste, so yeah, fry until it's golden brown. Make sure to always turn the bean cake to avoid burning it, and that's it here. So now our akara is ready. Alright chef, taste your akara. Nice, good. Guys, try out this akara and tell me what you think about it. Try to make something new in your home. Yes, I love to eat my akara with bread. The inside is so soft, the outside is crunchy. Jeez, try this akara and let me know what you think. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching guys, and I will see you in my next video. God bless you. Bye.